we have set it up a workspace, we have shown what is a composition, and we have worked with our composition also. Okay, now we will add a functionality. Now I'll remove all these things. Okay, assuming I have a laptop and it is a gaming laptop. So this is my new gaming laptop which will take all my default values. Okay, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in this gaming laptop there is a mode called gaming mode. If I activate my gaming mode, what happens is, if you see, the current frequency is 2.4, right? 2.4 gigahertz. When I activate my gaming mode, my frequency should be maximum. Okay, my frequency should be maximum. So first let us activate our gaming mode. So when I say gaming laptop dot gaming mode, I activated my gaming mode, but the problem is I have not written any functionality for my gaming mode. Functionality means nothing but using all the properties which are having, we must do some work with it. Assuming you are having a laptop, sorry, you are having a mobile. When you click the lock button, it will either lock the complete screen or it will open your lock, or it will on your screen. The functionality of that button is, when it is on, if you click it, it has to off, it has to lock your phone. If you click it when it is off, it has to on your screen. That is the functionality of that. So whatever the things we are having right now, we are making a functionality. This functionality is, we are activating the gaming mode. So we are having a frequency 2.4, that is our minimum frequency. When we activate our gaming mode, we have to make the set the frequency to maximum. Okay, so let us put the functionality name as activate gaming mode, and in the laptop I'll create this method. This method is public. I don't want to return anything, I want to simply activate it. Activate gaming mode. Once this is done, basically this error has to go, the error has gone. So inside the laptop we have a method called activate gaming mode. So this method is basically, what is happening is, I am setting up my minimum frequency, my current frequency. Where is this? It is inside the processor. Very good. So inside the processor I am having my frequency. So I need to get that frequency, and then I have to set it to my maximum frequency. So how do you access the data? First of all, processor dot, I'm not having any methods. So first I need to get my frequency and I need to set it to my maximum frequency. So I'll write a getter method to get the frequency, maximum frequency. Okay, and I'll say get frequency and set it to, come on, this is interesting. How do I set my frequency to maximum?
Don't know, sir.
So first of all, if I want to set my frequency, a getter method is not needed. I need a setter method. This should not be a setter method. This should be a getter method. Get maximum frequency. So problem is, this should be void, and this also should be void. No, this should be, return type also should be a string. Okay, and now let's go back over here. First thing is, I must set my frequency to which, processor dot get max frequency. I am setting my frequency to the maximum frequency.
Yes, sir.
First, I am accessing my frequency. I am setting my frequency to maximum frequency. Since I am not having my maximum frequency directly available, I am creating a getter method to get the maximum frequency, and I am passing it to my set frequency. Okay, now I am activating my gaming mode. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll print all the details of my gaming laptop. Okay, after activating the gaming mode, there is no need of getting all the details, so I'll simply get only the frequency. What frequency? My regular frequency. So inside this, I'll activate another method. Okay, I can't generate it over here because it is outside. No, it is inside itself. So let us click on generate. I need a getter method. Okay, I can't do it here because the processor, the frequency is here. So I'll click on generate getter. I want to get my frequency. I have created a getter method for the frequency, and I'll details itself. Now I'll run this. Okay, after activating this gaming mode, I'll simply say gaming mode activated. Gaming mode is activated, and I am saying my frequency. I'll run this again. Go. So if you see here, first initially my gaming laptop details are this. My frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. When I activated my gaming mode, my current frequency is what? 3.2 gigahertz. Okay, understood how the functionality is working?